Why does your scanner show the P0339 engine code? What does it mean? P0339 is a diagnostic trouble code for crankshaft position sensor, a circuit, high intermittent. This engine code indicates an intermittent problem with the crankshaft position sensor A circuit. The powertrain control module, or your car's computer, has detected an inconsistent or erratic signal from the sensor. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty CKP sensor. Wiring and connector issues. Damaged reluctor wheel. Timing belt or chain problems. Faulty PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford F-150, Honda Civic Accord, and Chevrolet Silverado. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.